Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. And today we're doing a bit of DIY on this 2023 Tesla Model 3. Specifically, if you watched my video a couple weeks ago, you would have seen that we purchased this for $22,000 from Hertz. And it was a rental car and probably needed a few things, one of which is the windshield wipers. Pretty easy to install, but I've seen there's been a bit of confusion on some of the local forums about Tesla. So I thought I would just show how we're going to install these Rain-X blades on this 2023 Tesla Model 3, and I'm going to use some Rain-X glass cleaner and repellent on the windshield to help. So stay tuned. I'm going to walk you step by step how to do this, including how to put the Tesla in service mode so you can actually access the wipers. So on this 2023 Tesla Model 3, the first thing you're going to have to do is put it in a service mode to access the wipers. I'm just getting my phone out because these EVs, you got to use your phone for everything. So it's a pretty simple procedure to do that. I don't even know how to unlock this car. What is wrong with me? Tap key card to unlock. Why can't I use my phone? But you're going to want to go into service mode, and then within service mode, so if you're at the main screen, click the little car in the lower left, click service right here, and wiper service mode, and you can see it tilts the wipers up so you can actually access them, because otherwise you won't be able to pop them off. So the next thing I'm going to do is I have a little towel here that I'm going to put under the wiper when I pull it off, because I don't want to scratch the windshield. But there is a quick release button, so I'm going to lift this up and put this underneath. But there's a quick release that you press. I'm probably going to need both hands to do this, and when you press it, it will pop that off. So I'm going to go ahead and hold it up a little bit, press it. I'm pressing. And it's supposed to slide out. Not sure why it's not sliding out here. There we go. So you press it and then pull the wiper out. I was trying to be very gentle with this. I don't want to break anything, because right above this is the spray for the windshield. So I was trying to go as gentle as I can. And then this is what you're going to get when it comes out. This is the new one, and it looks pretty much identical. So you can take the little silicone protector off. You can lift this up, and you're basically just gonna push it in. And you've just installed a blade that easy. If you're used to some of the older vehicles, you'll remember how difficult that used to be. So these quick connects, or quick releases, I think they call them, are pretty handy. These blades don't look terrible on it. They seem a little dry. They just weren't given a good sweep, a good wipe. So I'll put this one here, and then let's go over and do the other one. So the exact same process. I'm going to put this towel underneath just because I don't want any metal or anything hitting. I think I can access it better from the other side. And I'll push the button in and pull it out. And I'll keep this under it. And that's that. So when it is in the car, this is the little button that you're pushing down right here. You push it, and when you push it, you pull the blade out. And with the blade out, I can take the new one. I can pull the little blade protector off. I can lift this up, and I can slide it in. It pops on and clicks. And we've just replaced the blades on this 2023 Tesla Model 3. So I'm going to use this Rain-X spray. This is a glass cleaner plus rain repellent. Now, I've used the Rain-X brand before where you kind of put it on and almost wax it off. That sometimes can be a pain. So I'm going to give this a shot because I've never used it. But it basically said just spray it on the car and then wipe it off and then use a nice towel or something to make sure it's streak-free. So after I wipe it, I'm going to use just a really clean cloth here. This is brand new out of my clean cloth section, just to make sure there's no streaks. All right, new wipers installed, the Rain-X applied. You can see it's a nice, clean windshield. Let's test from the inside. Looks good in here. I could do some wiping there, it looks like, from the inside. Left side stick, if you push it in really far, it shoots fluid. Doesn't work for me. So evidently it will only sweep if the door is shut. If it's open, it goes to settings. If the door is shut, then it works. I don't know why it's shooting the spray out. A gentle sweep, or gentle press. So the blades are working. Okay, so that's a little DIY project on the 23 Tesla Model 3. Installing the Rain-X wipers, easy peasy. Press that little button, pop them out. And the Rain-X cleaner and spray. TBD on how this performs. If it doesn't perform how I want, I'll go to the traditional Rain-X. But I hope you found this video a little bit helpful. And I think it was 18 bucks for the wipers. Got them on Amazon, they were discounted. And you can probably install them in less than 5 minutes. So do yourself a favor and don't play a shop, and definitely don't pay the Tesla service center to do it, because they'll probably charge you a whole lot more than $18. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give me a subscribe. Again, this is jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. And this is our DIY on the Tesla. I hope you can excuse my ignorance with using it. I've only sat in this car 2 times.